Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel that is Beyond Dentistry. Today I'm Dr. Kanksha Gupta is here with another new video that we have surgical extraction of mandibular third molar. So according to Winter's classification, this tooth which is shown in the video is in mesioangular in position. Okay, so we give the incision. The incision should be begin from the vestibule abut towards midway of the siege of second molar at an angle, and the incision is then continued in the gingival sulcus. Okay, remember one thing, while giving the incision it should not be to the lingual aspect of ridge as the lingual nerve can be found. So after giving the incision we raise the flap. While raising a flap, it should be necessary to gain the visibility of the region and experience to the clinician. While doing this thing, we do the clearly flap the raise. Okay, so after the raise flap, we do the section of tooth into the two part. One is a crown part and second is root part. While doing this technique, we use the burr technique. In this, we taken the 7 round burr and which is straight and 7-0 Fisher burr. So burr is used to the swiping motion around the occlusal, buccal or distal aspect of the mandibular third molar crown to expose it and to have its orientation. While doing this, while doing the burr, we should saline irrigation to avoid the thermal trauma of the bone. Okay. Now once the crown has been located, as you see in this video, we are cutting off the tooth into two parts that we have. First is crown part and another is root part. While once the crown has been located, the buccal surface of the tooth is exposed with the burr to cervical level of the crown contour, and the buccal trough or gutter is created. As you see in this diagram, we created a gutter. Okay, it is important that the adequate amount of torque is created to remove the bony obstruction for exposure and delivery to the tooth, especially around the distal aspect of the crown. While we lifted with a straight elevator and comes out the crown part and taken with the tweezer and remove it. Okay, so now we have a root section. So while doing root section, we taken a straight elevator and as deep as to apical and lifted up with a straight elevator, or we have crier. Now in this we create a gutter around the root area. Okay, as you see in this diagram, sorry, in this video. Now after that we taken a straight elevator and remove the root. Okay, now taken with the tweezer and remove it. So this is all about our mandibular extraction, surgical extraction. Now we given the interrupted suture given and maintenance for 7 days. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.